Are you fond of making your own quilts but don't know where to start? Good news is that you don't need a complex setup to start. While any sewing machine can handle basic quilting, certain machines provide extra capabilities that make quilting huge projects much easier and more pleasurable. Whether you're a newbie learning to sew and quilt or someone with limited space who needs one machine for both, these machines are the ideal answer. In this video, we'll review the top sewing machines for quilting as recommended by experts. Make sure to watch it until the end if you're ready to transform your ideas into comfy creations. But before that, subscribe to Legit Pick channel and click the bell button to keep up with all of our current reviews and helpful tips. Number 7. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Computerized Sewing Machine. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is a feature-rich sewing and quilting machine that will make your creations easier and more creative. With 600 built-in stitches and over 1,100 stitch applications, it's ideal for quilting, home decor, and fashion projects. You can also personalize your work using the built-in lettering font for monograms or custom text, giving it a professional, creative look. The automatic needle threader is a unique feature, saving you time by threading the needle in seconds. The top drop-in bobbin mechanism with a clear cover allows you to readily check your thread, ensuring you don't run out in the middle of a job. The machine's quilting bar, which aids in the stitching of evenly spaced lines, and the extension table, which provides ample capacity for huge fabric pieces such as full-size quilts, make it ideal for quilting. Controlling your stitching space is straightforward thanks to the manual speed controls, and the Start-Stop button lets you sew without using a foot pedal, which is ideal for longer or more complicated tasks. The needle up-down button simplifies turning corners, especially when working on quilt squares or elaborate designs. In terms of negatives, while the system itself is reliable, some customers have reported that repairs might be difficult if problems emerge. Proper maintenance is vital for keeping everything working properly. Overall, the Quantum Stylist 9960 combines ease of use and versatility, making it an excellent choice for quilting, crafting, or sewing fashion pieces. Number 6. Brother XR9550 Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother XR9550 is a computerized sewing and quilting machine designed for convenience and versatility. With 165 built-in stitches, including functional, ornamental, and heirloom styles, as well as 55 alphanumeric stitches for basic lettering, you'll have plenty of creative alternatives. The LCD makes stitch selection simple, allowing you to modify parameters with a few button presses. This machine excels at handling many fabric types. The Brother XR9550 can handle both delicate materials and heavy textiles like denim with ease. The automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin simplify setup, while the needle up-down button and customizable speed controls provide more control during sewing or quilting. One of the prominent features is the large extension table. It has a big work surface, which is ideal for managing large quilting projects or bulky materials. The machine also has numerous presser feet and a durable protective cover, adding value to the product. On the flip side, you'll need to remember to use the spool cap every time you stitch, as the thread will slip off without it. It's a minor extra step, but one worth noting. Overall, the Brother XR9550 provides an excellent balance of user-friendly features and reliable performance. Whether you're quilting, crafting, or sewing clothes, this machine makes the task easy and pleasurable, making it a favorite among both new and seasoned users. Number 5. JUKI TL-2000Qi Sewing and Quilting Machine. The JUKI TL-2000Qi is a powerful sewing and quilting machine designed for serious applications. Its heavy-duty aluminum frame provides a robust, sturdy feel, allowing for smooth and stable sewing even at high rates. This machine is built to handle larger quilting projects with ease thanks to the enlarged table, which provides a generous working area which is ideal for huge blankets or enormous quilts. One of this model's best features is its automatic thread cutter, which saves time by reducing your threads with the press of a button. It also supports free motion sewing, which allows you to move the cloth freely in any direction, which is ideal for creating unique quilting designs. Its 1,500 stitches per minute speed makes it quick, efficient, and suitable for people looking for professional level results. However, its big size and weight may be a disadvantage if you require something portable. It's more of a stationary setup, so it's ideal for folks who have their own sewing room. Overall, the JUKI TL-2000Qi is a step up from basic machines without being unduly complex. It's built to last and is intended for quilters and sewists who value dependability and accuracy. Whether you're working on home decor, fashion, or a quilt masterpiece, this machine provides consistent performance, making sewing sessions easier and more pleasurable. Number 4. Singer 7285Q Patchwork Quilting Machine. The Singer 7285Q Patchwork Quilting Machine is intended to ease quilting, particularly for novices who may become overwhelmed by the intricacy. This machine has 100 built-in stitches, including 15 quilting stitches and 7 buttonhole patterns, allowing you lots of creative freedom from the outset. Features like the automatic needle threader and start-stop button make sewing easier and more convenient, allowing you to stitch without the use of a foot pedal. A wonderful option if you prefer hands-on control. Another useful feature is the manual speed control, which allows you to slow or speed up your stitching as needed, keeping you in control if you're new to sewing. The machine also automatically adjusts tension, making it easier to balance your stitches. The big extension table provides plenty of area for quilting projects, and the quick snap design of the 12 included presser feet makes switching chores quick and easy. In our tests, tasks such as creating buttonholes and replacing the presser foot felt seamless and user-friendly. Beginners will especially appreciate how this machine simplifies the little elements of quilting. While this machine handles standard quilting fabrics well, it may struggle with heavier materials when sewing larger projects. It's not the ideal choice for heavy-duty labor, but it shines when used for quilting and other light sewing projects. Well, the Singer 7285Q is a good choice for anyone beginning in quilting, with useful features that make the learning process easier. Number 3. Bernette B79 Computerized Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Bernette B79 is a high-end machine that combines sewing, quilting, and embroidery in one powerful package, making it ideal for experienced crafters looking to explore new creative possibilities. One noteworthy feature is the 5-inch color touchscreen, which allows you to effortlessly select stitches, alter settings, and even create your own embroidered designs with a supplied stylus. This allows you to personalize your projects by adding custom logos, names, or artwork directly to the screen. With 500 built-in stitches, including 35 quilting stitches and the ability to remember your favorite stitch settings, this machine is both precise and convenient. The extension table gives ample area for bigger quilting projects, and the automatic tie-off mechanism secures your stitches without the need for backstitching, resulting in a neat finish every time. Testers were most amazed by how quickly it handled a wide range of textiles, from delicate chiffon to thick wool, without missing a beat. Automatic thread cutting and a semi-automatic needle threader assist in speeding your productivity, and the dual feed system assures uniform fabric feeding for consistent results. On the negative, the Bernette B79 size and weight make it very cumbersome, so it works best in a dedicated sewing space. It's also a considerable expenditure, so it may not be the greatest option for beginners just getting started. Overall, the Bernette B79 is great for serious crafters seeking a feature-rich, adaptable machine that can perform professional quality sewing, quilting, and embroidery all in one. Number 2. Brother CS7000X. The Brother CS7000X is a computerized sewing and quilting machine that is meant to make novices feel confident while also providing capabilities that will satisfy more experienced users. It comes with 70 built-in stitches, ranging from simple utility stitches to decorative and quilting designs. This versatility allows you to overtake a wide range of jobs, from hemming garments to working on your next quilt. One thing that stands out is the machine's ease of use for beginners. The automatic needle threader simplifies setup, and the drop-in top bobbin prevents thread jams, ensuring that your stitching runs smoothly and without frustration. The LCD display allows you to effortlessly select and alter your stitches, which contributes to the machine's general convenience of use. The wide table extension provides lots of capacity for larger fabrics, and the inclusion of a walking foot is a huge plus for quilting tasks. With 10 presser feet included, you may experiment with different techniques without having to purchase additional supplies. The metal frame and fixed needle bar ensure that your stitches are even and professional looking, even when dealing with heavy fabrics. On the negative, this isn't a machine designed to endure decades, rather it's a steady workhorse for a few years of consistent use. It may also fail to please sewists seeking complex customizing options. Overall, the Brother CS7000X is an excellent pick for both novices looking to improve their skills and experienced crafters seeking a dependable, versatile machine with plenty of built-in assistance. Number 1. Singer 4411. The Singer 4411 heavy-duty sewing machine is all about strength and speed, designed to perform more difficult sewing tasks without slowing down. This machine's heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bed plate ensure stability even while stitching thicker materials like denim or canvas. Its robust engine allows it to stitch at an astonishing 1,100 stitches per minute, making it an excellent alternative for anyone looking to complete projects quickly. This machine has 11 built-in stitches that include basic, decorative, and utility options, as well as a 4-step buttonhole and 3 needle positions to allow for a variety of sewing techniques. You can also change the stitch length and width to fit each job. One of its practical characteristics is the drop-in bobbin mechanism, which simplifies threading and reduces tangling. It also includes drop feed functionality, which allows you to experiment with freehand stitching or darning for more creative designs. The adjustable presser foot pressure and extra high lift make it easier to work with thicker layers of fabric, while the strong LED lighting allows you to clearly view your work. The machine remains cool to the touch, which is useful for extended stitching sessions. 4 presser feet, extra bobbins, needles, and a seam ripper are included to complete the basic package. On the downside, with fewer stitch possibilities and more complex versions, this machine prioritizes strength over adaptability. However, if you want durability and quickness, the Singer 4411 will not disappoint. And there you have the greatest sewing machines for transforming your creative ideas into stunning quilts, fashionable clothing, and more. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to upgrade to a more advanced machine, there is something here to meet your needs. From heavy-duty powerhouses like the Singer 4411 to adaptable computerized models like the Brother CS7000X, each machine has its own set of features that will make sewing projects easier and more pleasurable. So, which machine got your attention? Please let us know in the comments. Before you leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the Legit Pick channel, and press the bell symbol to stay up to date with our latest reviews and tips. Happy stitching!